Say hello to Sparky, the world's first personal AI English tutor purpose built for kids. Sparky brings the most natural and most magical way to learn English, and a lot more. Designed with child delight at the center, Sparky comes in the avatar of a smart and friendly fox you can just speak with in unscripted open conversations about almost anything. Powered by generative AI, Sparky is also infinitely patient and knowledgeable and creates a judgment free environment for kids learning English. Sparky makes the conversation personal and at the level of every child.
What do you enjoy painting, and what games do you like to play?
I like to enjoy painting a flower and I like to play a game of Alala Limbu Timbu.
That sounds super fun. Painting a flower must be so beautiful. And playing a game of La La Limba Timbu sounds interesting. How do you play the game? Can you tell me more about it?
We need 3 persons to play Limbu Timbu.
Oh, so to play Limbo Tombo, we need 3 people. That's awesome. Can you explain how the game is played? What do the 3 people do in the game?
2 people take their hands and they tight it with this like this.
Even when kids struggle to articulate, Sparky can carry the conversation forward and encourage the child to speak. Background themes and music change with conversations. Sparky also emotes with the cutest gifs and memes. Kids instantly connect with Sparky and fondly imitate his reactions. Interactions are structured into learning units that are designed to conversationally teach concepts.
I'm excited to hear your sentence or story using the idiom hit the nail on the head. Remember, it means when someone is exactly right or says something that is completely accurate. You can do it.
My friend hit the nail when she guessed my favorite fast food.
I see that you're trying to use the idiom, but there's a small mistake. The correct sentence would be, my friend hit the nail on the head when she guessed my favorite fast food. Great effort though. It's important to remember all the parts of an idiom to use it correctly. Keep practicing and you'll get even better at it.
Conversation never runs out, with the magic recommendations guiding the child forward.
Sure thing, my clever friend. A conjunction is a word like and, but, or because that connects words or sentences. For example, in the sentence, I like ice cream and chocolate, the word and is a conjunction that joins 2 things I like. Now it's your turn to give me an example of a conjunction.
And interactive games are interspersed to drive more practice on the concepts they've learned. We've already built 125 such games across 6 formats.
Good morning, youngling. Hope you're having a fantabulous morning so far. By the way, do you know which incredibly famous TV personality was born on this day?
Kids will also be able to double-click any word they don't know and check its meaning or translate it to a language of their comfort. Sparky gently corrects the child when they speak incorrectly.
Once upon a time, there was a family who wanted to adopt a pet.
Oops, it seems like you made a small mistake. Instead of open up a pet, let's use adopt a pet. Can you correct it and continue?
Once upon a time, there was a family who wanted to adopt a pet.
Great job. Now, let's continue the story.
The family went to a pet store to find their perfect furry friend.
Awesome. Now, let's imagine some hilarious incidents in the pet store. What kind of funny situations can happen?
All the pets ran out of their cage.
Sparky will offer a variety of experiences, from asking anything about history, science, or any topic of the child's choice to reading practice.
Hearts full of joy and memories etched forever. Arya and
When the child goes wrong with pronunciation, the word turns red and comes up for practice later. As the kids interact, Sparky also assesses grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, pace, and tone, and creates progress reports for the parents that go right into their mailbox. Coming up next is parental controls, where parents may choose to set daily time limits and select specific experiences or learning paths to unlock. Get the most immersive and advanced language learning experience for kids with Sparky.